Hi nail friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I did this ombre color block using Modelones acrylic powders. So let's get right into the video. So I apply my Chiarosky bond to dehydrate my nail, and if you don't have any bond, you can use rubbing alcohol or acetone. Now I apply 3 layers of clear dip powder to build my nail. So I apply base to 3/4 of the nail and dip into the clear dip powder. Then I apply base to the whole nail and then dip into the clear dip powder. This is done to build the nails and protect my natural nails from the color, and it's also an optional step. I apply tape off camera in a slanted angle, and now using my Modelones neon and light pink acrylic powder, I place base on my nail bed area and did the sprinkling method or tap method to create my ombre. So I did about 3 layers of the ombre. Then I removed the tape. If I had left the tape on the nail, it would have stuck to the nail, and we don't want that to happen. Then I continued with my ombre. I did another 2 or 3 layers, I believe, off camera, but I only showed 1 layer. Then I applied activator and waited for the nail to harden. Then I filed the nail off camera to get a straighter line. Now I placed tape again in a slanted angle off camera, and now I'm using my Azure Beauty Gold glitter dip powder. I apply base to the nail and then I laid my finger into the glitter dip powder. Then I applied activator, waited for the nail to harden, and then began filing to get a straighter line. Now on the tip area, I do another ombre. So this design is something that I came up with in my mind. I really don't know what I was thinking, but I wanted to try it out to see if if it will look good or not. It's okay, it looks good. It's basically like a two color ombres, or you could say, yeah, it's two color ombres, or a 3-layer ombre. Yeah, you could say a 3-layer ombre because it's 2 colors, but I don't know, whatever ombre, it's an ombre slash color block. So I'll let you guys watch what I'm doing and I'll be back shortly. Now I apply a few layers of clear dip powder to encapsulate the nail. Then I applied activator to the nail and waited for it to harden, then began filing. So this is after filing of the nail. Now I'm applying some Modelones with gel top coat to the nail and I cure it for 30 seconds. Then I apply cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nail. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.